Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with one of my favorite videos to share with you guys, as well as watch even for myself, and that is a what's in my bag video. Ever since I shared the unboxing of this little beauty here, I got so many requests to do a what's in my bag on this bag. So I am so excited to share all about this bag because it's like one of my new favorites. So before we get started, if you haven't already, definitely hit that subscribe button below. I make different fashion and beauty videos, so if you're into that, definitely hit subscribe. Also, if you like this video, definitely give this video a thumbs up. It would mean a lot to me, and it just lets me know if you like these types of videos. So I'm gonna get right into it because I have a lot to share about this bag and what's inside. So this is the Louis Vuitton Clapton PM bag. This is in the Damier Ebene print. This is actually my very first Damier Ebene piece from Louis Vuitton. I've always gravitated towards the Damier Azur, but I thought for fall and winter and really all year round, it's like a seasonless bag. I just thought this would be a great bag. Here's a little overview of the bag. It has the magnolia pink leather detail. It has some piping on the sides. It has a little back pocket, which I'll get to in a second, and then it has like the clasp closure. Before I go into the bag, there is this little secret section back here that I love this function for, because to be honest, it could be a little like hard to like get quickly in and out, especially if you just want something like your phone readily available. So I love that they have this little pocket back here. You can't even tell that it's part of the bag, but it's here, and I just slide my iPhone back here, and I have the iPhone 6s, and it just fits perfectly back here. It is a pretty big section. It goes from the whole width of the bag, so you could pretty much fit any size phone in here and it will be perfect. Then going into the bag, so as I said, you just press this little button in, you open it, it's all pink lined, which I love. It's made me fall in love with the bag. And then we get into the bag itself. That's a little overview of what it looks like. As you can tell, up top there is a little smaller section here. There's a zippered section in the middle and then a bigger section in front. So we will start with the back area here. So right back here, there's a little section. There are actually two slim sections, which I have not put anything in yet. They just has like the booklet, like I think it's like a care booklet or something that it came with. So I'm going to be pulling from back there so that you know. So the first thing that I'm going to slide out. Okay, so here is my wallet. I don't even know what this is called. I'll have it linked below. But it just houses some credit cards, some cash, and then a couple business cards in the back here. I don't know if I want to put coins in yet because I don't want to get it so dirty. So for now, I'm just keeping nothing in it. I just figured a smaller wallet would make more sense for me. So again, mine is like in the monogram and has like the rose ballerine interior. So that's my wallet. And then in the same section where I had my wallet right back here, I have my little key pouch. I've had this for so long. This is from Kate Spade Outlet. I got for like 20 bucks or something, like really, really great deal like that. So I just have my car keys and some like loyalty cards in here. House keys, so that's in there. And then in the zipper section in the middle, I actually don't really keep anything, but like I would probably put like receipts in the middle here in the zipper section, like receipts or just anything I need to bring with me, like papers or anything like that, something super like more important that's in a zippered section. So I would definitely keep that. And then we come to the bigger section here, and so in this section I have two like bigger, bulkier items. So I have this pouch, which I'll get to in a second, and then I have my sunglasses. So I have my Gucci sunglasses inside a Key Australia case because the case that the Gucci ones came with was way too bulky for this bag, although I would put it like in another, because I would rather a hard case, but for this kind of bag, this will do. My new Gucci sunglasses, I really, really love them. I'll try them on for you guys. Aren't they so cute? So I love them. They're a little bit more like a cat eye, like statement sunny, but still like classic at the same time. And they have like a little Gucci, like I like how it's like super teeny. I think it's just like a more delicate detail there. And then I have this little pouch here. I got this from the Lauren Conrad collection from Kohl's, I want to say around Christmas time. And it just says, happy girls are the prettiest. I love the Audrey Hepburn quotes and stuff, so I love Audrey Hepburn herself. I have like little essentials in here. I have a hair tie. I have some floss, never know when you're gonna need it. I have a little mini L'Occitane hand cream. This is super tiny, it's so cute. And then I have one of my favorite lipsticks. Actually not wearing it today though. This is Plumful by MAC. I've been really loving this one too. But this is Back Talk by Urban Decay. Really great all year round. Very versatile color. Here, I'll show you really quick. I just think it's gorgeous. Goes with so much. So more like, to me, a neutral, even though it is like dusty rose. And then I have a hand sanitizer. I just like the Purell ones, the clean smell of them. So this one says with mint infused essential oils. It actually does smell really good. And then I actually just restocked that one. And then I have like one bobby pin, you never know, in case you need to like pull your hair back or something. And then I have headphones. So that is everything in this little bag. This actually fits quite a bit. So that holds all like my essentials. Okay, so that is everything inside my purse. As you could tell, it fits a decent amount, not as much as I would hope for, but again, it is a crossbody bag, so there's not much, like, you shouldn't expect to hold a whole lot of crossbody. So that is everything I could hold. As I said, wallet, keys, sunglasses, a little bag of maybe like a lipstick and a few other essentials. And that's pretty much everything you can hold. I hope that was helpful, and I hope you enjoyed the what's in my bag. I always love sharing these, and if you want to see like a full-on review of this bag, my thoughts, and eventually like the wear and tear of this bag, everything like that, thumbs up this video and leave a comment below so that I know if you guys want to see it or not. That's it for today's video. So I hope all of you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Bye.